today I'm giving you this birthday style makeup glam. This is a trial run of my birthday makeup. When this goes up, it'll be 3 days until I turn 22. Please, oh my god, where does the time go by? But yeah, this is going to be a trial run of my birthday makeup, so it's all about the makeup today. I've not fussed with my hair or my outfit or anything. I just added a little jacket just to make it a bit more like juju, you know, birthday vibes. But yeah, this is all focused around the makeup, just a little trial run, and I'm obsessed with it. I think I will wear this makeup for my birthday. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and just have some birthday vibes, then please keep on watching. If you're new, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos and new beauty content. But apart from that, let's get straight on into the look. Okay, so I've already prepped my lids using the P.Louise Rumour 2 base. This is my fave, just making your eyeshadows stand out on the lid, and especially what we need for this occasion. And I've just blended it out with my Luxer beauty sponge. This is actually the marble one, so I'm just pressing that out again. So for this look, I'm going to be taking an oldie but a goodie. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Look at those shades, please, guys. They're amazing. So I'm going to be starting off by using this shade here called Sienna. I'm just going to apply it into my crease and just give us a really nice defined crease shade. So I'm going to be taking the shade Sienna, which is this one here, and I'm just going to apply this into my crease. This is a really, really nice like warm toned brown, so I'm going to be taking that on the SK. This is the SE202 brush, sorry, by Sosu. Focus. This is what it looks like, so it's a really, really nice dense buffing brush. I'm just going to buff this shade Sienna into the crease. I'm just buffing this shade into the crease, just using small circular motions. These shades are really intense, so when you're using them, make sure to tap off the excess, because Anastasia Beverly Hills, the formula of their shadows is intense. So I thought I'd talk about the morning I had this morning. Literally such an eventful morning. So literally my mirror broke in half, had to fix that. My brushes fell over the floor, had to collect them up. Does anyone else just get this from like the universe or God or whoever you believe in, or if you don't, but do you ever get those like signs where that like the universe is testing you and you're just like, please stop testing me, I want to do this, I have done this for a long time now. Like, I've literally come up to nearly a year on YouTube. I started in October last year, so I literally can't believe it, and we're so close to 1k subscribers. I'm literally so thankful for every single one of you who watches my videos. Like, I literally can't believe it. It's just so incredible and it's just amazing, and I can't wait to give back to you with my giveaway. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm absolutely over the moon. So I'm just taking this shade now called Burnt Orange, just on a really nice big large fluffy brush like this, and yeah, I'm just taking that shade Burnt Orange. I'm just going to go around the outside just to blend it out a little bit, so I'm tapping off the excess and just slowly going around the outside, just so Sienna has something to blend into, because you don't want to just put one shade on the lid and have it not blend into anything and just blend into your skin. You want it to have like a nice ombre effect. So I'm just going to buff this around the edge of that Sienna, and then I'm going to go back in with Sienna just to re-intensify Sienna. So here we go, going back in with Sienna and just deepening up that crease again. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Morphe Y17 brush. I'm going to deepen the outer corner now. I think I'm going to take a mixture of Mulberry and Noir and apply it in the outer corner. Not too sure how it's going to go, but I'm just going to mix those two and just apply it in the outer corner of the section of my eye. So I'm just deepening it up the outer corner slightly, bringing it out the tiniest bit just so it's like, so I'm only going like halfway where the iris is coming, so here. So basically I'm going to cut the crease, and then this is just going to be the outside, which is going to be showing. I'm going to go back in with the same brush that I used Sienna on, nothing on it, and just blend this outer corner. So I've just gone ahead and cut my crease using the P.Louise Room 2 base on the lid. And I'm just going to pat this out a little bit just because it has creased a bit, and I literally cannot concentrate if I do my cut crease on camera. I just find it so difficult. So just gone ahead and done that off camera. And now for the exciting part, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever. This is the Starlit Diamond Powder. This is in the shade 108. This is like a really nice duochrome. I'm so excited to use it on the lids today, so let's see how this looks. Oh my god. Can you see that? Oh my god, that is beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That is so pretty. I can't deal with how pretty that is. That is, do you see the duochrome? Wow. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I'm sorry. Disco ball who? So I'm just going to go back in with that Noir shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm just going to apply it just to the outer corner of this eye because it has lost its depth a little bit. Clean up underneath a little bit before you apply liner, lashes, all that jazz. Okay, so now I've cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte liner just to line my lash line. I'm feeling so high. Then going in with my Maybelline Baby Roll mascara. I'm going to go in with my Tatti Lashes TL4, stick them on off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so back with my lashes on, we're going to move on to skin. I'm looking incredibly pale today, and I literally have no clue. Maybe it's the top, maybe it's because my tan's literally wearing off. But I've been using that Bondi Sands Gradual tanning milk because usually I use the cocoa butter one, and it seems to be working really well, but it must be I just need to scrub off and reapply. That's great for me. So I'm going to be starting off with the YSL Blur Primer. I love this, as you know, just to fill in my pores and just smooth everything out. So I'm just going to apply it to the face. Moving on to foundation today, I'm going to be using two. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible. This is in the shade 290, and then I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless 220. Mix this together and just apply it all over the skin. I really like the L'Oreal Infallible because it gives a really nice long wear, and then the Fit Me 220 gives you a nice dewy finish. That's why I like to combine the two. And I did it all for love. And then I'm just bouncing this in with my Luxer blender. Yeah, this foundation just gives a really nice combination of like the long lasting and the dewy. That's why I really rate it. It's just such a nice combination, and they're both drugstore. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm just applying this underneath the eye area, down the bridge of my nose, on top of my forehead, and then just blending it out with my Luxer blender. When I'm doing this as well, if you find a struggle when you come to the eyeshadow bit, I just literally go like in a diagonal line, and then it looks like you've got like an eyeshadow wing. The same is basically in my last tutorial, and yeah, it just gives you like a nice straight line. That's the top tip if you struggle when you get to this area, and then just bring it up, and it gives you like a nice lift effect. I'm just pressing this next to that line that I've made, and just gives you like a nice sharp line, and just lifting that area. Okay, so after pressing in my concealer, I've just gone ahead and set it with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. On the topic of powders, can we just quickly talk about Holly Boon's new complexion product and her powder? £13.50 I think it's retailing for, and oh my god, it looks so good. Best believe I'm going to be doing a first impressions on that powder. If you want me to do that as well, let me know down in the comment section, because I am ecstatic. I can't wait for it to be released, so that's coming. Also, the autumn content is coming soon. So I'm going to be moving on to the iconic London stick, and this is in the shade 4.1. Okay, so we're just going to bake the sides of our nose. Just give us a really nice sharp nose contour. For bronzer, as always, I'm going to be using my MAC Skin Fish in the shade Dark Deep. I'm just using it on my Sosu SF105 brush, my favourite bronzing brush, and this is just obviously my favourite bronzer. I use it all the time. I really do need to get like a new bronzer, but I just haven't. Oh, I do have loads of bronzers, but I just find this is my favourite. I haven't found a new favourite is what I meant to say. But yeah, I'm just going to bronze. For powder contour, same as usual, my Doll Beauty Give Me Sun. For blush, I'm going to be using the H&B Cosmetics. It's the Dare to Be Different blusher that she came out with. She had 4 shades, and this is in the shade Feeling Peachy. I also do have the shade Oh So Snatched. But yeah, I absolutely love her complexion products so far. Can't wait to try her setting powder. So yeah, I'm going to be using this for blush today. I'm just applying it to the high points of my face. If you didn't get this blush, I'm so sorry, because it's literally the best. I say the one that replicates this is the Milani Luminoso, but it's not as pigmented, and also it is like a more shinier blush. That one, what's that called when it has a shine in it? A luminous blush? I don't know. But yeah, this is more like a matte blush, and it's just stunning. I do have in my giveaway when we reach 1k, which I'm so excited for, I do have her H&B Cosmetics Dare to Be Different palette, and that is amazing. The shade in there, Sassy, is quite close to the blush shade as well, so yeah, I'm excited for that. So I'm back, and I did go ahead and do the under eye off camera. I basically used the shade Sienna, which is the same one we wore on top, just for the under eye, and just tie it together out of the Soft Glam palette. Now moving on to highlighter, which is my favourite part of the whole entire makeup process every time. This is the Makeup Forever. This is the Pro Light Fusion. I'm just going to take this and just apply it in my inner corner. Then taking my Sosu X Kaylee, this doesn't have a name on it, but it's my favourite highlighting brush from her collection. Wow, I love this highlighter. Moving on to lips today, I'm going to be using the Barry M. This is the Toast Lip Liner, just to line my lips. For my lip shade, I'm going to be taking the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Best Actress. And then on top of that, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution. This is the Luxurious Lip Topper. And then to set this in place, I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, so as per usual, I'm just going to go ahead, do my hair, and then I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look, and I'm obsessed. I absolutely love it. Can you believe I'm going to be 22 in 3 days? 31st of August. Here I come. I can't believe it. Look forward to a birthday vlog from me as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Please tag me if you're going to wear it as well. And yeah, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.